Welcome back to the channel, Bike Family. I know that it's been a while, but the excuses don't matter. I know you don't want to hear about them. The point is that we're back on the bike and we're doing a motovlog. Well, I mean, we're waiting at a light right now, but we're doing a motovlog! We're on a mission today, so I was out riding and I decided that I need to go to a sporting goods store and buy me some compression socks. And I know that's a weird thing to go out and motovlog about, but if you follow my Instagram, and I know that a bunch of you do because that's how you found my YouTube channel, you'll know that I'm kind of committed right now to weightlifting and reaching some very dedicated fitness goals that I have. And those in the past have involved like bulking and cutting and bulking and cutting again. And in about 2 months, it will be a year since I started almost religiously going to the gym. Not like 5 times a week, but I've been going pretty often, with the exception of some weeks here and there where I've been really busy. Like these past few weeks I've had some comprehensive exams to take, so I took a break from the gym for about 6 weeks. It's alright, we're back at it. But anyways, what I've noticed is that there's some cars coming, and I will stop talking and just pay attention for a second. So what I've noticed is that after a while, with all the weightlifting I've been doing, I've started to see some little like spider veins forming on the bottom of my foot. Or not the bottom of my foot, the side of the foot. Yes, the side of the foot. And I looked into it and I was pretty sure it was coming from the weightlifting, because that was the only thing that I had changed in my lifestyle in like the past year, which is when I started to see them, with the exception of diet also, I guess. But I think it's from weightlifting, and lifting heavier weights has started to put a lot of stress on the vascular system, and especially because I've been doing a lot of squats, which works your lower body, and deadlifts also, and I just tried to shift into like the 7th gear that doesn't exist on the Ninja 250. So all the weightlifting and stuff that I've been doing has started to put some stress on the vascular system, and I think that's what's causing the development of all these tiny little spider veins. So I think that getting some compression socks will probably help with that. I don't know, I'm not a professional weightlifter at all. I'm like still pretty puny, but the amount of weights that I've been using is more than what I was normally used to before, which was basically nothing because I didn't do weightlifting before a year ago. I'm gonna get some compression socks that I can wear in my sneakers, and hopefully those will help prevent those little spider veins from forming. I haven't dug into the science behind this, I'm just willing to give it a try because it's a pretty like low effort investment that could solve this problem for me. If you know anything, I just tried to do it again. I tried to shift into 7th gear and it doesn't exist. I'll just go faster. So if you're a weightlifter, oh my gosh, this view is amazing. I hope you guys can enjoy it. Okay, I'm gonna look forward now before I crash. Anyways, if you know how to prevent the little spider veins that form as a result of weightlifting, let me know, because I'm interested. They don't hurt, I have no problem with them. It's just that I've noticed that they're there and they were not there before I started weightlifting. I'm not trying to have like a freaking veiny foot 2 years into this start looking like the Hulk. Let's see, where are we going here? Yeah, we're trying to get to Dick's Sporting Goods. Yes, that's right. For those of you that are not from the United States, we have a store called Dick's. Fun. I can't take them seriously with this store name. But anyways, they've got all kinds of sporting goods, as the name implies. And by the name, I mean like not the Dick's name, the thing under it, the description, if you will. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside and get some socks. I'm not at the motovlogging level yet where I can just bring the camera inside and film around, so I'm gonna go buy some socks and then I guess I'll show you guys what I bought. Okay, and magically we are back. I should show you guys what I got. I'm sure you're super interested to see the compression socks I chose. These guys. They seem decent. That's all I have to say about them. Not sponsored by Copperfit or anything. Okie dokies. Oh my god, my hands are so sweaty I can like barely get them inside of the glove. It's like an effort. Okay, you want to place your bets now on whether my bike is going to start or not? Let's see. Oh my gosh, that's a miracle. It's definitely the Kawasaki tag. That makes it turn on better. I know. If you want one of these, you can get them from Moto Minds. I'll link them down below. And full disclosure, they are my sponsors. It's a husband and wife team, and they're freaking awesome. You should also use my discount code. It's just ANTI, and it actually gives you like a really good discount. My brow is sweating. Like, you sit in a parking lot for just 3 or 4 minutes while you're getting ready to take off, and you will be sweating. And it sucks. I just took a shower before I started riding. I should have waited because I'm probably gonna have to take another shower now. Or, you know, I shouldn't, because don't all bikers like biker sweat? No, just me? I'm just kidding. So I got my compression socks, goal achieved. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and we're gonna end the video with a beautiful view.